Get ready to experience comfort, elegance, and luxury all in one power-packed student home, only at Montclair on the Park, St. Louis. Choose from stunning studios and charming 1- and 2-bedroom apartments decked with cool air conditioning for hot summer days, a well-equipped kitchen to satisfy your hunger pangs, and sleek wood laminate floors. Bring your wheels along. There's bike storage and parking to keep them safe. Fit in intense workouts at the fitness center, then unwind with mesmerizing views on the rooftop deck. Experience unparalleled convenience with the concierge, elevator, and the laundry center for breezy chore days. Plus, no teary goodbyes with your fur babies needed when this property is pet-friendly. Get from bed to campus in minutes with St. Louis University and Washington University just a short drive away. To explore the city seamlessly, just hop on the bus from Kingshighway at Laclede NB or catch the train from Central West End Station. So, hurry and grab your spot at Montclair on the Park, St. Louis before it slips away through amberstudent.com.